Hey guys, Skrill has become one of the most flexible platforms for paying freelancers globally, especially when you're working with remote teams. Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure your account is fully verified and funded, either through card, bank transfers, or crypto deposits. Next, click Send on your Skrill dashboard and choose Money Transfer or Skrill to Skrill Payment. Enter your freelancer's email address. It must be linked to a Skrill account. Type in the amount and select that currency. Skrill automatically handles conversion if you are paying internationally, with competitive rates shown before confirmation. Add a short note like freelance project payment, then click send money. Your freelancer receives the funds instantly in their Skrill wallet. Pro tip, for recurring payments, use the Save Recipient feature. It saves time and ensures consistent transfers for ongoing projects. If your freelancer doesn't have Skrill yet, they'll receive an invite link to create one, and they can withdraw directly to their bank or crypto wallet once they are set up. Fast, reliable, and globally accessible. That's why more businesses are moving freelance payments to Skrill. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.